Hello guys, Brian back with an AGIX update here. Boy, this thing's looking good today. I did a video a couple days ago. I said watch out for this thing. I believe this breakout is coming, and finally it's starting to move here. Okay, this is AGIX on the daily. You can see right now we're up 5.89% for the day. Okay, we did get up to 20.266. Right now we're at 0.249. All right, and I believe we're pulling back right to the breakout, to the retest the breakout, and I believe this thing's ready to rip from there. So if we look at the market real quick, this is on the daily here. I have a few coins having a little bit of a pullback. No big deal after these big gains. Look at these weekly gains out here. Pretty crazy, really. Looks like an alt season is what it looks like. Okay, so a lot of big double-digit gainers out there. Everything is looking fantastic. So let's move on here. All right, we're going to get right back to AGIX. Let's take a look real quick here at Bitcoin. I want to show you guys Bitcoin dominance first. This thing is just firing up here. All right, and these altcoins just keep pushing and pushing. So Bitcoin dominance on the daily, it's up to 51.5. Has a high this week of 51.78. All right, so if we pull up these RSIs, looks like this thing is due for a pullback here just about any time. All right, we take and put a trend line on this thing. Whoops, I'm sorry. Let me put them up here. There we go. You can see that we're pulling away from that trend line pretty good here. So we have the daily RSI up at 199. So this thing is definitely just about due for a pullback here. Getting a little overextended on them RSIs. All right, let's look at AGIX now. Let's get back here. Yeah, I was going to take a look at Bitcoin real quick, but let's get back here and look at this chart. Okay, you can see this breakout starting here. All right, I believe we're getting a retest now of this breakout, so we're going to make absolutely sure our line is perfect here. It should be out on it. There we go, right there. Let's lock that. Okay, it's pulling right back to this area. Is that 0.245 right down this yellow line, and that's where we should get a really nice bounce out of this thing. Okay, that daily stochastic is still heading up. And if I could ask you guys to please hit the like and subscribe, I would appreciate that so very much. We got the weekly RSI reset and ready to go, okay? I believe this market is heading into a retrace. I believe Bitcoin is going into a retrace. I believe these altcoins are really going to start tearing here pretty soon. So, it's a good time to be in the market right now, okay? We also have divergence here on this daily. Let me show you guys this. I got to close this one out, and the regular RSI down here. Okay, this is bullish divergence. Okay, we had this low here, then we had a higher low, and on price action we had this low, we ended up with a lower low. Okay, so that's bullish divergence on there. All right, you can see it right there. So that's that. We got the price action playing out to prove that. So our RSI in the bottom is only at a 52. Okay, this thing can go way up there. You can see this one over here went up to 89 way back here, so still has a lot of room to go on that thing. All right, so AGIX is looking great right now, guys. I still don't really have a wave count on this thing yet, so we're gonna have to let some price action play out here before I can even get a wave count on this, an Elliott wave. So what I'm talking about right there is right here. Usually you have 5 waves up, then you have a correction, then you have another 5 waves up. Okay, if we go back here to price action, there's really nothing, this could possibly be a wave 1 in here. If we put I don't think it is, but if we put an extension on there, that would lead us up. It goes right to a resistance level, on the daily, that's a pretty significant level, the 37 cents. So we're going to put a line there and see if this thing starts playing out up to that level. All right, that could be the wave 1. That could be where it's headed. So the first level to watch out for here is going to be that 33 cent area. Okay, and right before that we do have one major area right through here at 30 cents. Okay, you can see it right here. It was major resistance here, support through here, and resistance and support through this area. So keep an eye on that 30 cents, and that should be our first area of hard resistance here. But watch for this thing to start bouncing pretty soon. If we put the 4-hour RSI on here, you can see that thing actually just getting, it did already retest this line right here. Okay, so this thing could take off here anytime. I don't believe at all it's going to pull down below 0.245. I believe that's the retest area. That's right where the breakout happened, and I believe it's going to start taking off from here. So alright guys, thank you so much. When we have more price action on this, I will get back to you. And you can almost see through here that on the smaller time frames, that does look like a wave 1. So we'll see how it plays out. Thanks guys, talk to you soon.